What are you doing?
I take a picture of me.
No, what are you doing?
I take a picture of my phone.
What are you playing with?
I'm playing with Toby.
What are you doing with
See
Toby?
this bag, Toby? And see this red at the top of Toby? See the top of this special? This one?
Yeah?
I take a picture of my phone.
No, this is Daddy's phone. What are you doing?
I take a picture on one Toby. I'm doing it.
Are you taking Toby apart?
No.
Are you fixing Toby?
No.
What's wrong with Toby?
Just changing this top of his red boost off.
Oh, what's inside of there?
It's batteries.
What's wrong with the batteries?
They're dead.
They're dead?
They are. We have to take them out.
So do you fix your own trains?
Huh? Probably not working. I'm going to twist it back. It twists. It's all tight. It's all tight. I take a picture of Dad's phone.
Yeah.
Take a picture of your phone.
Yeah.
What?
Who do you got there?
Toby.
See you later.